Most men never notice the moment their body begins running on yesterday's strength. The shift arrives quietly, long before the calendar claims they are older. Here is what is truly happening. Your nightly repair system, the one responsible for rebuilding strength, mental sharpness, and physical confidence while you sleep, does not disappear with age. It drifts into low power mode. Unless you revive the signals that activate it, you wake up slower, softer, and strangely distant from the man you remember being. Tonight, you will learn a simple evening rhythm that helps your body restore itself more efficiently. It supports smoother blood flow, clearer focus, and a level of calm strength you may not have felt in years. It takes less than a minute. No stimulants, no medication. Only your biology working the way it was designed to. I am Dr. Zara. For more than a decade, I have helped men in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond reclaim strength without chasing quick fixes. Your body is not failing. It is waiting for the right instructions. When you send those instructions at the correct time, everything begins to shift in your favor. Before we continue, tap like and subscribe to Winds of Thought so you do not miss the next lesson. Let us look inside your body and uncover what is truly changing. After midlife, many men describe the same pattern. Mornings feel heavier, bounce back time increases. The spark that once lived in your muscles and mind fades faster. Yet what you call aging is often something else entirely. Inside each cell live small power stations called mitochondria. As the years pass, they produce less energy. When they slow down, you feel it everywhere. In stamina, in focus, in physical presence. Your body also builds up silent inflammation. This invisible tension stiffens blood vessels and slows nerve response. It rarely causes pain, which makes it easy to ignore, but it blocks the very pathways your body uses to repair itself during sleep. Many men turn to magnesium by itself, hoping that one mineral will solve everything. Magnesium is valuable. It calms the nervous system and helps with deep rest. But magnesium alone is like unlocking a door without ever pushing it open. Two specific vitamins determine whether magnesium enters your cells or simply passes through. This is where most men miss the mark. Your body needs synchronization. Nutrients working together at the correct hour in a rhythm that mirrors your natural repair cycle. When that rhythm is restored, everything changes. Two vitamins are responsible for switching your nightly repair code back on. They are D3 and K2. People often know D3 as the sunshine nutrient, but its job extends far beyond daylight. It influences more than 1,000 genetic actions, including hormone balance, blood vessel flexibility, and tissue restoration. When D3 drops, recovery slows, circulation weakens, and energy becomes flat. K2 is the partner that directs the entire process. It guides calcium away from arteries and toward bones and muscles where it is needed. Without K2, your vessels grow stiff. Many men who feel weaker as they age are experiencing this stiffness, even when their medical tests appear normal. When D3 and K2 work together, circulation improves, magnesium activates correctly, and your cells finally receive the signal to begin deep repair. So how do you use all of this tonight in a simple way that works? Begin 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Take D3 paired with K2, always together. This combination activates your repair instructions. Then, just before lying down, take a form of magnesium known for smooth absorption, such as glycinate or threonate. These forms enter your cells efficiently and support calm restoration. As melatonin rises naturally, D3 and K2 prepare your repair pathways. Magnesium enhances the process, relaxing muscles, soothing the nervous system, and improving circulation. Through the night, your mitochondria recharge, tissues rebuild, and your entire system resets. By morning, you feel different, not wired, not artificially boosted, naturally restored. There are simple mistakes, however, that can stop all of this from working. Timing matters. Taking these nutrients at random hours confuses your natural rhythm. Your body expects repair signals at night. The routine only works when it matches your sleep cycle. Many men also use magnesium forms that do not absorb well. These versions often upset digestion and offer minimal benefit. Choose forms known to enter cells effectively. Never take D3 without K2. Without its partner, calcium can end up in arteries instead of in bones. Remember that vitamins D3 and K2 are fat soluble. Your body needs a little healthy fat to absorb them. Eggs, olive oil, avocado, or fish will do the job. And finally, consistency creates results. Your cells do not operate on dramatic overnight changes. They respond to steady signals. Give this rhythm 30 nights and your biology begins performing the way it once did. When you follow this evening practice, your body remembers its blueprint. Circulation improves, hormone balance steadies, confidence rises without force. You return to equilibrium. Every night becomes a chance to rebuild. Every morning becomes evidence that your body still works for you. Strength returns when biology receives the right signals. Tonight, give yourself that 1 minute. Use D3 with K2. Add magnesium. Allow your body to handle the rest. Tap like if this helped you and subscribe to Winds of Thought for more. Renewal begins when you reclaim your natural rhythm.